Hello guys! Oh, ayan ang church namin, no? Yung peach or pink na color. There it is. We're going to the church. Nasaan na yung mga kasama ko? Pang bilis nila. Ay. Okay, tatawid na tayo. So, bago tumawid, magtingin-tingin muna. Baka may... Oh, ayan na. Maraming sasakyan na dumadaan. Hay nako. I'm going to the moon. Okay. So, tingnan natin baka may sasakyan sa kabila. Oh my gosh, mayroong taxi. Okay. So, akyat na tayo sa hagdan dito papuntang church. Here it is. Stairway to heaven. Oh. Morning guys, ito yung church namin. Ayan. So, I'm going inside. Hello, good morning. Mapaano ako. So,
Lanyo. Lanyo po. Ano ko na lang, i-clear mo na lang. Yung i-post mo tapos make it clearer. Lakihan mo para mabasa ng mabuti. L is inye. Tama.
O, lanyo.
Tapos lanyo lang. Lanyo lang. I-post mo na lang siya.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Ay, good morning. Sorry, sa gali yan.
Dahil lang. Oh, amunisat. Ito, ready na kami. Magre-ready na kami. 11 a.m. yung mass dito. 11 to 12. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with outstretched arms, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You took my darkness and gave me your light. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You took my sin and my shame. You took my sickness and healed all my pain. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with outstretched arm, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. kayo.